Fisherman. Yes, blue the water is. Wow. Whew. So nice. There's got another one. Yes. Woo. Very nice katambak. Okay, katambak is here. That's all. It's 2 down. Low tide here, Sta Sofia. People taking their catch from the sea and then selling it here at a fish broker nearby. Any fish can be made into a bulad. What is bulad in English?
Dry fish.
Dry fish.
No.
So these are the fish that they spearfished last night. You know those fish, Mac?
Sa atong tawag santi ni kikiro.
Kikiro.
Adi danggit.
Danggit. What do you put in there before you put it out in the sun?
Kuan.
Besides salt, pepper,
Calamansi.
calamansi.
Pepper. Asin. Garlic.
And garlic. And then it stays out there in the sun for how long? Berapa days?
2 days siguro ya.
2 days. So here's a couple here that's been drying for about a day and a half. Maybe for another day or so. It's a sunny day today. So this morning we're going to be working on a reinforcing the fiberglass material on this boat. An old boat that we purchased here, and it's got some repairs that need to be made, like there. And again, just reinforcing the old fiberglass body here. This is the fiberglass matting that we bought, and we'll use resin with epoxy paint. How much was this, Mac? Tag-usa? 200 per kilo. Resin. 1,000?
960 lagik na hardener.
Oh, okay, it's about 1,000 for the resin.
Iya pa timplada.
Like mixing epoxy paint. So you may be wondering why we need a second boat. What we plan to do is use this boat for just some leisure paddling around here, Sogod Bay, and also use it for in tandem with the bigger boat to do some netting, or pukot as they call it here. Applying the resin. Fiberglass, Bong, how long can you expect it to last? Mga pira ka years?
30 years man.
30 years. More durable than a plywood boat and wood boat. There we go. It's on like a layer of skin. So Bong here has a lot of experience in boat making, repairs, maintenance, over the years. He's taken training with Testa to learn all kinds of crafts, from carpentry to boat making, welding. Resin has to really soak into the matting. There's the smaller boat that we finished fixing up. It's probably, say, 15 feet long versus this one, bigger boat, it's 26 feet. So we'll be using this for the fishing out in the deeper waters, and then this one we'll use for rowing around the sanctuary.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times roll. Down, we'll never come down. When the sun comes up, we'll be feeling how we do right now. My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times roll. So let's let the good times roll. Let's let the good times roll.
Kasi nga ito subad sa kuwan luyo. Malugulin ito rin.
Wow, look at that. Puros mga tropical fish naman ini.
tulo sa mo ni Roger sa'yo. Roger nila. Oo. Wala naman yung pindihay.